Hello guys, this is Bushra from Bushras Lifestyle, and today's video is a continuation of the last video, which was how to organize your bathroom. Okay guys, so today's video we're gonna start with we're going to do organizing under the sink. You ready? I'm going to show you my messy sink. Oh my goodness, yes, absolutely. See the mess? Let's start with getting everything out. I think these are my girls. I'm gonna pile them up, and like all the beauty products will go on one side, and yeah, cologne going to be with that. And see, the kids even put their stuff in mine. That's their hairsprays, etc. Man, I feel like a messy woman here, huh? Okay. But we're gonna do it together. So you guys are cleaning your bathroom in this challenge with me. See, this is a problem. I am getting rid of so the big thing I am doing it while I'm cleaning these things, guys, I'm donating a lot of stuff too. So I like bags and bags. I put it in my car, and every day I am going to Salvation Army and donating stuff there, because otherwise I will never be able to clean this. So it's already looking good. Let's be really fast. I am having pretty good success keeping the bathroom pretty clean though. I know why the shoes are here, and oh man. Okay, so you saw it's kind of looking pretty good, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause this video so I can clean it and line the paper underneath of that. Then I'm gonna show you what baskets I'm using for this, and we will take it from there, because I don't want you guys to get bored, but I do want you to get motivated. Get one thing tackled in your, we did the 2 drawers first, and today I wanted to tackle that. I still have 1 more drawer to go, but I really need, but I was looking for something today, this morning, I guess, like a straightener or something. I could not find it, so I thought before I do the 3rd drawer, I'm gonna just knock this thing down. So here looks pretty clean. I'm gonna just wipe it off and put the lining on, so stick around. Okay guys, so I just put the lining in. The lining did not go all the way, but it's okay. I just have to tell you that this is our new home, and it was like kind of cheesy. It's a cheesy builder grade wood, because when I was putting this lining, I kind of ripped the floor. It was like oily surface or something. The previous homeowner had something spilled or some. I always put a lining underneath of my sink. I probably would have not used the adhesive one, so be careful using the lining. Use the non-adhesive one. Like for my other bathroom where I know that my kids, that's the kids' bathroom, I will go ahead and put the non-adhesive one. So the next step, it's already looking clean, doesn't it? So the next step, I bought these Dollar Tree baskets a while ago. It was in my son's closet when I organized it, but I am going to go with the new baskets in his closet for a different kind of system. So I thought, just repurpose what you have. You don't always have to buy. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna play around with the baskets. These are stackable baskets, okay? So let's play around how many can we put. My idea was like we can't put more than, you know, like 4 in here. So we'll see how much right I am. So here, okay, I'm kind of pretty right. So here the 2 goes, and I have decided my stuff, what is going to be there. It's gonna be the kids swimwears, beauty products, and hair products going to be here, and then I'm gonna label them as well. So voila, it is perfectly fitting there. Man, it's whole lot looking pretty and nice. What do you guys say? You would see with the labels. Gosh, I see the color of the baskets are different. I guess my eyes are not working well. Maybe they are not different. But did you see how different it looks? So now I'm gonna pause it again and I will pile up my stuff. And once I do it, I will unpause it and show you guys, and I'll show you the labels I did last time. It was essential or something or jot. I'm gonna do the same labels, okay? So stick around. Okay, so I'm back, and here I completed that back as well. It was bothering me not to have the lining there. So here it is so far after getting it out, making it really clean. And then guys, what I did, I organized these baskets from Dollar Tree I showed you. So here is all the hair supplies are here. It's a roller, and mostly that's my little girl's dryer they like to use, and cramper, and these are some hair. Sometimes I make a bun for myself, and these are the girls, since whenever we go somewhere else I do their hair, so I rather keep them in my room. So then I label them. These are Dollar Tree's label, and I will show you what I used in a minute. So let's place them here, since this is very we're not using this bin a lot, so keep them there. And then second bin is going to be swimmers. So these are the girls' swimmers. They mostly when all 3 siblings are together in our bathtub, we have a big bathtub, so I like to have them, because I have 2 girls, 1 boy, I like to have them use their swimmers. So here is going to be the swimming bin. So hey buddy. And then this one is all the beauty products I put there, some colognes, etc., whatever extra I have. Because I use cream on my face, just 1 cream. Rest is just like cologne. Some of the girls use stuff. This is I bought this, but it's not going to work for me. I'm gonna give it to my friend. So here all the supplies, bulk, etc. is going to be there, but it's super easy now. How does that look? Easy peasy. And that is the a medicine bin where I place all my medicine. And here I am going to show you how I did that little label. I have to pause it because I cannot hold it, but I show you. These are crafter squares, something. It's okay, but foam gift tags. So I bought these 24, and I used 1 pipe cleaner, cut them in 4, and then I used these labels on top of these, and I just was not feeling that I should use my label maker, so I just wrote them. Not that my handwriting is pretty, but well, it's easy peasy. So let me place that, and since these already have holes, so they will go, and these already have holes too. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. You see the difference, how you saw in the beginning. Honestly, spending 15 to 30 minutes or 45 minutes every night is going to change your life. So please spare some times and work on your nooks and corner in the house, and it will absolutely change your life. You saw when I opened the sink before, I could not even see what was there, and that's why I was going to do the third drawer, but that's why it motivated me. In the morning I was looking for something and I could not find it, and I thought, oh, maybe I should work on this one first, and it turned out to be really nice. It does not look like a cheesy product I used. I did use Dollar Tree, and I could tell you that total cost of this organizing is $1, and 4 of these 5, and I'm not gonna count these labels individual 6 or 7 because I am going to use them for several of them. I am very happy with the result, and now when I will open up, it will look really nice. So go check my bathroom organization part 2 and part 1. That's going to be the part 3, how to organize under the sink. And subscribe to my channel again. Please let me know what kind of video would you like me to do it. And have a wonderful house and happy organizing. Have a wonderful house. Have a wonderful day. Bye.